2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Rebel 250. In the world of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Rebel 250 emerges as an exemplary and affordable choice for beginners, seamlessly blending cruiser design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best cheap motorcycles for those entering the realm of riding, the Rebel 250 exemplifies Honda's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the joy of cruising. In 2024, the Rebel 250 continues to be a compelling option for entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible elegance, confidence building, and the delight of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Cruiser styling with timeless appeal. The Honda Rebel 250 boasts classic cruiser styling that delivers a visually appealing experience without breaking the bank, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking affordability coupled with timeless design. With its low-slung profile, relaxed riding position, and minimalist aesthetics, the Rebel 250 exudes a cruiser presence on the road. Honda's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the Rebel 250 not only provides an enjoyable riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the affordability of cruiser elegance. 2. Efficient single-cylinder engine for relaxed cruising. At the heart of the Rebel 250 lies an efficient 234 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and efficiency for beginner riders. Honda's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an economical yet relaxed cruising experience. The Rebel 250's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, leisurely rides, and the joy of cruising, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the art of motorcycling. 3. Low seat height and lightweight for easy handling. Designed for easy handling, the Honda Rebel 250 features a low seat height and lightweight chassis that contribute to its approachable and manageable characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it user-friendly for beginners, allowing them to confidently maneuver through city streets, park with ease, and experience the allure of cruiser riding. The Rebel 250's low-slung design enhances its approachability, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking a relaxed and stress-free introduction to motorcycling. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Rebel 250 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a laid-back and comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Rebel 250 not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend cruising, and the pleasure of laid-back rides. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 Rebel 250 seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A clear and user-friendly instrument cluster, classic cruiser-inspired design elements, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Honda ensures that the Rebel 250 remains an economical yet stylish choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cruiser design with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Rebel 250 stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser elegance, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its cruiser styling, efficient single-cylinder engine, low seat height, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, cruising with style, or enjoying the simplicity of riding on a budget, the Rebel 250 encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of affordable cruiser excellence. As a symbol of accessible elegance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling without breaking the bank, the 2024 Honda Rebel 250 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of cheap motorcycles for beginners.